AvPro is proud to present this Gulfstream G550, serial number 5076. The G550 is an ultra-long-range business jet that set a new benchmark in aviation design, comfort, technology, and speed. For its superb range, best-in-class cockpit, advanced technology, top-rated customer support, and many more outstanding achievements, the G550 was honored with the Robert J. Collier Trophy, the most prestigious award in aviation. Serial number 5076 was partially refurbished in 2018 at West Star Grand Junction and features a 14-passenger configuration, forward crew rest, and aft galley. The cabin offers a forward 4-place club followed by a mid-cabin left-hand 2-place club opposite a 4-place divan. The aft cabin features a left-hand 4-place conference and dining area opposite a credenza. Forward crew and aft passenger lavatories are included. The woodwork is light-stained quarter-sawn fig eucalyptus with a high-gloss finish. All single-cabin seats are covered in light gray leather. The divan is covered in light gray with blue and brown accented piazzetta pattern fabric. All fixtures and latches are satin gold-colored plating, which is complemented by the medium gray cut pile carpeting featuring thin accent stripes. The PSU and headliner are ivory-colored ultra leather. Window-lined side panels are completed in an eggshell Alcantara. Herring pattern and lower sidewall dado panels are light gray-colored leather with a dark leather accent. Other features include GoGo Biz AVANCE L5 4G Internet, 21-inch forward bulkhead monitor, 17-inch monitor above the credenza, individual 7-inch monitors, and 2 DVD players. The Gulfstream G550, serial number 5076, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.